Okay.
I'm live.
Yes.
What's up, Copy Squad? It's your boy, Kyle Milligan, coming to you live from Delray Beach, Florida.
We're in Boca.
Okay, we're in Boca, Florida. We're in Boca Raton, Florida at the moment. Anyway, today I want to talk about a cool announcement, which I'm super excited about. I've been talking about it since February, is I've finished recording the videos that I'm going to be producing to show you how I write a sales letter. It's like the most in-depth sales letter demonstration that's ever existed. Basically, you'll watch me from draft number 1 to the final copy, writing the sales letter that's at kylethewriter.com/book. That's the sales letter for my book, Take Their Money. So basically, if you want to learn how to promote a product, like a book, any sort of like info product that you're selling a little bit directly, like I am with the book, I'm like, buy the book, you can follow along on how I set up my sales letter and the process behind that with this product. I've been recording these videos for, like 2 months now, and I've finally finished them up. And it isn't just those videos. So I also was unable to advertise these videos. I wanted to advertise the sales letter on Facebook advertising, but Facebook ads banned my book. So then I was like, okay, well now I got to get on Facebook. So I decided to incorporate a bonus set of videos where you watch me take the sales letter that I wrote for Take Their Money, and then I'll have like a list of suggestions from a Facebook compliance specialist on how to make the sales letter compliant with Facebook's policy so that you can get your stuff on Facebook as well. So you can watch me, like, as a bonus, a free bonus for this course is I'm going to include just a couple videos showing me going through the process of editing the sales page itself, the policies that I needed to know and had to work around in order to get it approved. And then I'll also include like the final ad when I finally did get it approved on Facebook. And you can take away the lessons that I learned from there on what it takes to get that book through compliance, get that sales letter approved so that you can advertise on Facebook. So that'll be in there for free. Another thing I'm doing is, because I wrote this sales letter just like I wrote every other sales letter. You know, I took a handful of promos, I read them all, I dissected 3, and then I studied and mimicked 1. All right, so whenever you're watching me write my sales letter, I'll be referring to that promo quite often. And that is the, should I reveal it? I don't know. I don't know if I should reveal it or not, if it should be a secret. I'm just going to leave it a secret. I'll leave it a secret for now. But included in my bonus videos, I'll also be including the breakdown of the sales letter that I emulated. So you'll see me break down that sales letter that I'm using to emulate to make my sales letter. So I mean, it's like completely behind the scenes. I'll also show you my research doc and the research process that I used. So I mean, like, it's everything. It's everything from start to finish and beyond. Like, even after I finish the letter, I'm going to show you how I made the Facebook page, or how I made the sales letter page compliant for Facebook ads. So I'm really excited to announce that right now. We just left the house, but I'm going through the process of compressing those videos. So I got these big, like, full videos. I'm compressing them so that I can put them in a zip file and deliver them. So I'm hoping by, like, tomorrow or the next day that I'll have a full-fledged product. I'm going to have a crappy sales page, just like I had before when I first launched the book. I'm just going to be like a buy now button. Like, if you're interested in this, I'm going to have a buy now button for you tomorrow or the next day. So if you're interested in this, let me know, man. It's coming. Put something in the comments. I don't have a URL for it. I don't have a sales page. That's probably why I won't have it ready for tomorrow. Maybe, though, if I stay up real late tonight, I can. But yeah, so that's the big announcement. That's what I've been working on all day today and all day yesterday. I wanted to have this done. My goal, my New Year's resolutions was a front end in January or February and a back end by May. And this will be my back end product for those of you who are like Kyle the Writer followers or Kyle the Writer faithfuls, Copy Squad faithfuls. You'll appreciate this. It's basically watch me write a sales letter. Watch your boy, Kyle Milligan of kylethewriter.com, write an entire sales letter and show you behind the scenes, pull the curtain back. And again, it's not just me. Like, it's cool that you get to watch me if you're a follower and you're interested in my methods, but this is just like copywriting at its core that nobody else really does. They just teach theory. They don't show you copy. They don't show you promos that they use. They don't talk about like how they reverse engineered one promo to make their promo. They never talk about that. They just talk about stupid theory that vaguely applies to everything so they can sell to the masses. But that's not what this is going to be. This is going to be like, watch me write an actual sales letter. Watch me research my sales letter. See the promos that I use. And those PDFs will be included. There'll be a bonus video of me breaking down the promo that I emulated for my sales letter. And also, there'll be a bonus set of videos on how I got that sales letter from banned on Facebook advertising to compliant, and I ran an ad on Facebook advertising. So that'll all be included. Any comments or anything coming through right now?
Not
okay.
yet.
If you tap the red button, we'll know how long we've been live. How long have we been live?
Nothing's working.
Okay, we'll forget it. All right, so that's it for today, Copy Squad. I'm going to try not to get in a wreck in this U-turn. Bam. Executed perfectly. Thanks so much for tuning in. Expect that sales page to be popping up sometime soon. Leave me a comment if you're interested so I can follow up with you and maybe get you more information when it comes available. That's all for today. Check out my book at kylethewriter.com/book. It's called Take Their Money, Teach You the Secret Language to Selling to the Emotional Brain, which is copywriting. Peace out, Copy Squad.